Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good night. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. Goodbye, goodbye, see you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good night. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. Goodbye, goodbye, see you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good night. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. Goodbye, goodbye, see you. See you later.
Today is Monday, June 1st, 2020. For today's activities, we are going to work on page 146 and 147. In our notebook, we are going to make a cover for the month of June. And in our journal, we're going to create a collage with the things that describe you. Open your books on page 146.
Okay guys, let's remember, okay? When we say adding or plus, it's this, plus. When we subtract or minus, it's this sign, okay? So let's remember. On this part 1, we are going to underline the correct answer. Number 1, listen. To check addition, you need to, what do we need to do? Listen.
To check addition, you need to subtract.
Okay, so who can tell me what do we need to do? To check addition, you need to subtract or add. Very good. Subtract. So underline. Ready? Okay. Number 2. To check subtraction, you need to, let's listen.
To check subtraction, you need to add.
Okay, number 2. To check subtraction, you need to add. Very good. Underline. Okay, number 3. Pay attention. To solve a word problem, you need to pay attention, yes, to the question, to the picture. Let's see.
To solve a word problem, you need to pay attention to the question.
Okay, number 3. To solve a word problem, you need to pay attention to the question. Very good. Number 4. The sign for addition is, remember, addition is plus. So, which one is it? Very good. This one. Number 5. The sign of subtraction, remember, is which one? Very good. This one. Okay. This is a word problem, okay? Listen to Ms. Nailea. In Jerry's problem above, 18 marbles is the action or the solution? It's the solution. This is the answer, okay? Let's see. Number 2. Jerry lost 8 marbles. This is the information. Is part of the question or information? Information. Very good. And number 3. The action is adding or removing? Let's see.
The action is adding.
Okay, so let's complete. The action is adding. Very good. Now complete. Okay, now we are going to complete part 2. Repeat after Ms. Nailea. Addition. This is addition when we plus, okay? The operation. These are operations, okay? Mathematic operations, I'm sorry. And subtraction, remember? Minus. Okay, number 1. When the action is adding, the operation is addition, operation, or subtraction? Very good. Addition. So let's write it down. Addition. Okay. Number 2. Okay, number 2. When the action is removing, taking away, minus, remember? The operation is plus or minus? Subtraction. Very good. Remember, subtraction and minus is the same. So let's write it down. Subtraction. Okay. And the last one, number 3. Word problem, remember this is a word problem, can be reduced to a mathematic operation. Let's complete, okay? Operation. Very good. Now you do it.
Open your books on page 147. I need you to please listen to Miss Naila very carefully. Okay, let's start. Frank and Wilma invited their friends to a picnic. They need to make 30 ham cheese sandwiches. How many? 30. Very good. They already have 14. How many more sandwiches do they need to make? Let's see. Okay, they have 14 sandwiches. How many? 40. They already have 14. But they need to make 30. So the problem is 30 minus 14. The question is, how many more sandwiches do they need to make? Please underline. The action is subtraction. Remember, they're taking away, minus. The operation is 30 minus 14, and the solution is 16. Okay, remember, to check the answer, we need to do the opposite. For example, 30 minus 14 equals 16. So to check the answer is 16 plus 14 equals 30. Very good.
Open your notebooks. Ready? Okay, we are going to write the date. What day is today? Today is Monday, June 1st, remember? 1st, 2020. Okay, with your red color, remember? Body, mind, and heart. Ready? Body, mind, and heart. Okay, now we are going to draw a cover for the month of June. Okay, what happens in June? The summer comes on June. So, June, you can draw a sun, okay? You can draw flowers, trees, or you can draw the beach, okay? Fishes and sharks. You do it. Today, Monday, you are going to make a collage using pictures. This is an example of the collage that you can do. All about me. And these are the keywords that you can use.